1st May 2026. Now it's 25 minutes past 9 o'clock Indian Standard Time. Just now we arrived at Shalwa village near Chakdaho, Noida district, West Bengal, India. It's a very famous Buddhist shrine, Buddhist temple. A very beautiful place, my dear friends. You can visit the Buddhist shrine and you can get mental peace. Very Buddhist shrine, beautiful Buddhist shrine, very beautiful Buddhist shrine, my dear friends, all over the world, actually mainly from Buddhist countries and all other countries across the whole of the world, my dear friends. You can visit this place, and if you visit this place, you can get mental peace and spiritual bliss of Lord Buddha. Oh Lord Buddha, please bless all, so that everybody can get peace across the whole of the world. Oh God, oh Lord Buddha, please bless.